Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to make ranch salad dressing, a creamy and flavorful classic. We'll start by gathering our main ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of good quality mayonnaise, half a cup of sour cream, and half a cup of buttermilk for the rich, tangy base. We'll also use fresh herbs like parsley, chives, and dill, along with a few essential spices to create that signature ranch taste. Let's get started on this delicious journey. Now, let's prepare our aromatic components. Begin by mincing 1 to 2 cloves of fresh garlic, then mash them into a paste with about 1/8 to 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Next, finely chop 2 tablespoons of fresh parsley, 1 tablespoon of fresh chives, and 1 teaspoon of fresh dill. Combine these fresh herbs with 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper in a small bowl. This blend forms the heart of our ranch flavor. With our herbs and spices ready, it's time to create the creamy base. In a medium-sized bowl, combine 1 cup of mayonnaise and half a cup of sour cream. Whisk these together until they are smooth. Then, slowly pour in half a cup of buttermilk, continuing to whisk until the mixture is perfectly blended and lump-free. For an extra layer of flavor, add 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice and a dash of Worcestershire sauce. This creates a wonderfully rich and tangy foundation. Finally, let's bring it all together. Gently stir all of your prepared fresh herbs and dry spices into the creamy base you just made. Mix until everything is fully incorporated and evenly distributed. Now, the most important step for flavor development. Cover the dressing and refrigerate it for at least 2 hours. This chilling time allows all the wonderful flavors to meld and deepen. Your homemade ranch will also thicken as it chills, becoming perfectly creamy for serving with your favorite dishes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.